Welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a huge home decor haul. I am currently decorating my house here in Germany, so without wasting much time, let me show you all the goodies that I got. Okay guys, so the first thing I got is these beautiful lamp covers. Oh my god, I really love it. My bedroom is going to be white, black, white, gray, and a hint of black with some silver. So I wanted something different from just having a plain lampshade. So that's why I got this. I thought it would go well with the decor. It's a velvet, has a stain here. It's velvet and I bought it from TK Maxx. And I paid 22.99 euro, and I got 2 of them. And I'm really excited. I can't wait to decorate the house. I can't wait to decorate the room, and I can't wait to see how these will look. So guys, our houses here are smaller, so I wanted to get like a clothes hamper where I can put all the dirty clothes for the boys. I wanted to put it in the bathroom, and we didn't have enough space, so I got these beautiful, look at this. I got these beautiful hampers. They are really nice. Correct me if I'm calling it the wrong name, but yeah, it's really beautiful. It's lined, the structure is strong. Oh my god, it's lined inside, and I paid $29.99, and I got 2 of them as well. One is going to be in the boys' bathroom, and the other one is going to be in our bathroom, and I'm excited about that. I got this as well. I got this as well from TK Maxx. I also have these beautiful plants. This is actually live. It's real. It's not fake. And I really love it. It has, I was taught, because I do not have a green thumb, so I needed something that would not die on me, because everything keeps on dying on me. So they told me that all I just have to do is water this once a week, and it doesn't need sunlight. And I was happy about it. This looks like aloe vera, but I don't know. And yeah, so it comes in this beautiful vase, and then there's a black one inside. I got this from IKEA, and it was less than 10 euro. And I actually got 2 of them. I'm still planning on where to put them. I'm thinking of putting them on the windowsill in the kitchen or in the bathrooms. They would really look nice. Look at this, guys. They're so cute and they're real. Add some green to the house, right? You guys have seen me with these curtains. I've had these curtains since DC. I had them in mustard, and then I bought white ones. They look like linen. They're from IKEA. I paid 29.99 euro for each. I already have them in my room, and I have them downstairs as well. I just bought, these are supposed to be for my bedroom, but since I'm going to switch them for downstairs so that they can look newer and fresher. But I really love these curtains, guys. They look so lax, and they have a modern look to them. They make the house look soft. Yeah, these were 29.99 euro, and I bought 2 of them from IKEA. So because you can't only have one, one panel of curtains, like 2 of them. You need at least 2 to make them 4, so that at least it looks thick and they don't look like you borrowed them, because that's not a good look, guys. These children lamps from IKEA, I don't know if you can see, I will insert a picture, but this is lamps that you can put on their like nightstand. They are more easy, I think, for kids, and it's just like a globe, and then it turns on when you switch it on. So I'm excited. I got 2 since I have 2 kids. I got this. This is a nice clay pot. I bought it from TK Maxx, and I paid 17.99 euro, which was really cheap. I was surprised, but I broke it in the store. I broke it, so I had no choice but to take it. If I was in the US, I would have been like, you can have it, but I took it because I don't speak German, so you know, arguing with people in English and they speak German. Doesn't work. So I took it. It's really nice. I'll try and figure out where I'll put it, but I love it. I know I can mask this part, but it's really nice. Look at that. I also bought these, I don't know what you call them. They look like a teapot, but they are made out of clay. I got them from a store called Home Depot. No, it's called Depot. Depot. It's actually Depot. And they sell really nice. They sell a lot of good home decor. Next time I'll take you, when I go there, I'll take you guys there. But they are more like a mimic of Home Goods, but not as shiny as Home Goods. But this is really nice. I got 2 of them. They're supposed to go on my window in the kitchen because, you know, I'm trying to incorporate this. So I got 2 of them and I paid $12.99 for each. I also have these beautiful flowers. I got these from IKEA and they were €3.99. Since it's summer, it's spring, almost summer, so I was going to put this on top of the windowsill since my flowers keep dying. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to get the fake ones and then I'll add them together with the other live plants I have. So technically what I'm going to do is just put it in here and put it by the windowsill, so at least you know the kitchen is bright and not just neutral. And this is how it will be. So I need to decorate our bathroom as well, so I bought this. This is going to go in our bathroom, me and my husband. It's a toothbrush holder and Colgate holder as well. It was €6.99 from TK Maxx as well. I really love it. Look at the quality, guys. It's really nice. It has more like a matte finish to it and it's not shiny, which is I also got these 2. They are Indian. They say came from India, you know, like Home Goods has like an Indian section or stuff like that. But these are supposed to be soap dispensers. These are really beautiful, guys. So I'm debating, should I put this in our room or should I put it in like downstairs? So I'm still debating on that, but I was thinking they would look nice in our bathroom. And these were a bit pricey though, $14.99 each euro. But I also got a grater. I don't have a grater, so oh no, you know what, guys, I just bought another big grater. Oh my god. Okay, I guess you never go wrong. I can have 2. So this was $6.99 and I just needed something small, but I got another one. But it's okay. That's for the, I don't even remember what I got. I might be returning something. Oh, I forgot about this. I got some candles from Depot, and the 2 of them, I was planning on putting them in my, because my house is going to be black, white, gray, and silver with a hint of brown or tan. So I want more earth tones in my house. So this was supposed to be on the table. There were $3.99. Everyone has this, guys, and they actually gave it to me on sale. I was actually looking for a black one because I wanted to put it on the kitchen table and put some fruits in there, but I don't like the color. It clashes with my decor in the kitchen. If it was black or white, that would have been nice. But then when I tried to return it, they were like, oh, you cannot return it because it was on sale. We gave it to you for sale, so you have to keep it. So I'm thinking maybe I should just spray paint it, or maybe I'll find a way to change its texture from glass. But tell me, guys, what do you think I should do with this one? It's really nice, I must say. So I told you guys that I'm changing my colors in the living room, just in the house in general. So this I got from Decor. It was €22.99 euro, and it's really beautiful. It's coming off. It's really beautiful. It's like a nice blanket for the chairs. So I was just going to put it there and see how it turns out. I really love it. It kind of has like a nice soft thing. So these are the other soft dispensers that I got. I'm still debating what I should do with this. I was planning on probably just making my bathroom black without the silver, and then just have it like this because they kind of match. The matte, the black matte, whatever. The color is the same and the texture. So I was thinking I just have it like this, or I can put this in the downstairs bathroom when you just enter, and I can put one of these in the kitchen. That was my thought. And then I can keep the silver in my bathroom. So we'll see. And these were €12.99 each. Son started playing chess at school, and I love chess too. I'm a very good player. So I bought a family chessboard. It's wood. There's a lot of, in Germany, they love making things like with real wood. There's a lot of wood crafts here, and this is like really nice. So I bought this. It's something that we can keep forever, and it has like wooden, this is a bishop, all this stuff. So it's really nice. I really liked it, and my son and I can compete. My kids want to learn how to play chess, although I'm the champion in the house. I'm hungry. Okay, so another thing, so I also got these pillowcases, 20 by 20 from IKEA. I paid about $3.99. So initially I thought it was black, but actually it's not. It's actually dark gray with some silver strips, like shiny strips. It's small. I didn't like it. I'm looking more for one black accent pillow for my bed, so that it can kind of, you know, bounce from these striped, so that it can bounce from the lamps, the lamp shades. Like a really big planter, you know. I always admire every time I see people in there, like when I see like home decor hauls, they have these big planters. So I was like, I need to give myself one. So I got, it's actually stone. Oh, so this is it. Oh, it's heavy. So this is, and I paid €34. Is it 30? I also got these pillowcases from IKEA, which are the same as that, and they are tan. I was trying to try and kind of, because I only have the same size pillows on my couch, and they are all white. So I wanted to have a contrast, because this here is supposed to be in the living room. I'm debating if it will be in the living room, but we'll see. But I bought 4 of them, and we'll see. If I don't like them, they're going back. It's pampas. Is it pampas? Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. It's really long. Each stem was like $24.99, and it's really beautiful. Oh my God, never let this stuff get in your hair. It is shading everywhere, like in the house. So let me know, guys, how do you treat your pampas? Is it pampas? Guys, correct me, please. These plants, like, do you just spray them with something? Because I have it everywhere, and it got in my hair once, and I was like, oh my God. So I got this nice, it's a bedside table, because the previous bedside tables I had were too big for this house. Our bedroom is not as big as the previous house, so I had to get something that can fit. So this fit, I love them. They are simple, they are black, and they have a glass on the top. Oh my God. They have a glass on the top. They have a glass on the top, and I like them. I bought 2 of them, and I bought them from Amazon. I'll put a link for them, guys. And everything I have here, if there are links, I'll put links for you guys, especially the ones from Amazon. And then I also got these wooden spoons from the bazaar that we had on base. It was like a fair. And guys, look at this. This is beautiful. They're like cooking sticks, because you know they say that using other plastic, and you know the metal ones kind of scratch your pots, and then plastic is not good for you, as you know. Is it BP, whatever. But this is what I got. These were like $8. This was like maybe $12, but this is like, you know, for like soups or stews that have soup or stuff like that. So I really like this, guys. I'm trying to go more natural, and I want my house to have more natural tones. So I got 4 of these, and then I got a vase from the BX, which is like a military stone base, and nice. It's kind of ceramic, and I really like it the way it's shaped. It's not perfect. It's kind of, you know, and I paid $11.99 for it. I'm just going to do like this and keep them on the counter. I've always wanted to have this cheese board or snack board, and I got it at the same time from the same maker. So I got all these wooden stuff from the same person at the fair. And I bought this. I really like it. It'll probably go on the stove, near the stove or something like that. We'll see how I do it. And I paid, I think, $30 for it. I can't wait to finish decorating and show you. I'm almost done. I'm done decorating my first floor. So I'm going to do a video to show you how it looks, and then I should be done by next week decorating upstairs. And yeah, I'm excited, guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I did. And if you guys see anything different, I'm wearing these hoops. You see this? This is my first time wearing hoop earrings. I've never been a person who likes big earrings, but I got these from Nordstrom Rack, and I've had them for a while. So finally today I'm like, you know what? Since I have a big afro right now, let me try them. And they look nice. I think I like them. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. To my old subscribers, thank you for being loyal subscribers. And to my new subscribers, oh, welcome to the fam. And also, guys, I have a poll on my community tab that I'm asking you what kind of videos you'd like me to do for you guys. So please, guys, go over there and vote and let me know what kind of videos you want me to be doing, or videos you want to see from me, so that I can actually give you videos. I can do videos that you guys are going to enjoy and are actually going to watch. So thank you so very much. Bye-bye.